Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had 4 new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. We had a snake knot bracelet tutorial, 2 new knot tutorials, and then a gunsling tutorial, which is to be used with our DIY gunsling kits. So if you're picking up any of those for the holidays, make sure to give that tutorial a watch. We also had a new blog post come out since our last wrap-up. It's about monkey fists and how many passes are to be used for different sized monkey fists. If you're looking to try those for the first time, that's definitely a resource you're going to want to check out. Looking at our Paracord community, we have a Paracord highlight for this wrap-up, and it's Steve Shroom. He posted on our Facebook wall with a picture of a deer stand that he repaired with the inner strands of his paracord. If you have any cool, innovative fixes or things you're using Paracord for that's a little out of the ordinary, make sure to post that on our Facebook wall so we can see that and give you a shout out. And now for what we wrapped. So last time on the wrap-up, I was showing you all the pictures of the turkey on my phone. Well, my phone ran out of battery. Good thing. We wrapped a phone charger. I used the Helix paracord. That's exclusive to Paracord Planet for that. Put a little cobra weave at the end to give it some nice strength there. So that's my charging cable. And now for what we're going to wrap next time. I'm not totally sure. What's back there? It's Santa! We're gonna wrap Santa. It's gonna be great. We'll see you then. Do we want to go with that?
I'm gonna have a little Santa fly across the moon, you know?
Yeah, let's go with that. I liked it.